Hello hackers! We have a really exciting opportunity coming up for you all. Starting June 8th, we'll have a month-long Mixed Reality Hackathon alongside our Dev Days event. And because it's completely virtual, you get to meet and work with people from all over the world, build a community, and take it at your own pace. And through participating, you'll be the first members of the public to see and test out our newest features. You'll also get the opportunity to talk directly to the engineers who built the tools, give us feedback, and help shape the future of developer tools. Now, you're probably wondering, Grace, will there be prizes? And yes, through participating, you can get up to $10,000 in prizes. So sign up now, and I look forward to seeing the amazing things you build.